yeah. We're making progress. We got a couple little water stains here on the base. We're going to address that. So that'll be drying up here. I don't know why that must have been that leak. The baseboard when it was outside.
Well, you know, I mean, it could have been that. It also, when I removed the wallpaper, I saturated the wall.
Well, maybe.
Okay, and the water came down, and some came on the base, and I'm wiping the wall off and the floor.
I don't think I painted it, pre-painted it. Well, maybe, because I know
No,
I had to buy some more base.
Yeah, that's the stuff was not pre-painted, because the piece over here, the pre-painted one, there's no marks on it.
Yeah, there you go. That's what the deal was. Okay. So we're looking at, yeah.
You know, I didn't do your trick about using depth for the wallpaper remover. I just used straight water.
Yeah.
But you said to remove the wallpaper, you would use a depth, right? What was it?
It's called, it's a wallpaper remover product. You mix it in with the hot water. And it seems to help on the taking the glue off and getting it.
Yeah, I think you plan on doing the whole
Getting it
thing.
on. It's just a process because you never know what kind of glue is used on the paper prior to you removing it. So you got unvariable, so you can use something that might help you get it off a little better.
I've never seen anybody do that before. Use your drop cloth, regular drop cloth, and put masking tape over it. But looks like it works.
I'm going to catch this area because I'm going to spray this with a can of Kills product on here just to get this sealed off on these stubborn water stains here. Just so I can make sure that we're going to be sealed off here. So this will take a quick little spray here. And it'll seal that water stain pretty quick here. And we're all sealed off so we get no paint on the floor.
Thinking.
And that's it. That's it right there.
Spraying them now.
And then we'll have it all sealed off there. So I think that's going to be it for that. Pretty quick little process to get it sealed off.